The balance of power doctrine finds its earliest roots in the political theories of ancient Greece. The city-states of Greece, such as Athens, Sparta, and Thebes, frequently formed shifting alliances and coalitions to prevent any one state from becoming overly dominant. The Peloponnesian War, 401 to 404 BCE, between Athens and Sparta is a quintessential example, where Sparta led a coalition to check the power of the Athenian Empire. This practice was guided by the understanding that maintaining an equilibrium of power among states would prevent the domination of any single polity, thereby preserving the independence and autonomy of each city-state. Renaissance Europe and the Italian city-states. During the Renaissance, the concept of the balance of power evolved further, particularly among the Italian city-states such as Florence, Venice, and Milan. Political thinkers like Niccolò Machiavelli emphasized the importance of balancing power to prevent hegemony. Machiavelli, in his seminal work, The Prince, argued for the pragmatic use of alliances and strategic maneuvers to maintain stability and prevent domination by any one power. The Italian Wars, 1494–1559, involving various European powers vying for control over Italy, illustrated the practical application of balance of power politics in maintaining regional stability. The Treaty of Westphalia and the emergence of the modern state system. The formalization of the balance of power as a key principle in international relations occurred with the Treaty of Westphalia in 1648. This treaty ended the devastating 30 Years' War in Europe and marked the beginning of the modern state system. The Treaty of Westphalia established several crucial principles. 1. Sovereignty. States were recognized as sovereign entities with control over their own territories and domestic affairs. 2. Non-interference. The principle of non-interference in the internal affairs of other states was established. 3. Territorial integrity. States were to respect the territorial integrity of one another. These principles laid the groundwork for a political equilibrium in Europe, aiming to prevent any single state from achieving hegemony. The Treaty of Westphalia is often seen as the birth of the modern international order, where the balance of power became a central tenet. The Concert of Europe, post-Napoleonic Wars. Following the Napoleonic Wars, the European powers sought to create a more structured and cooperative approach to maintaining the balance of power. The Congress of Vienna, 1814 to 1815, led to the establishment of the Concert of Europe, a system of dispute resolution and collective security. The main objectives of the Concert of Europe were to 1. Prevent the resurgence of a dominant power like Napoleonic France. By maintaining a balance among the great powers, Britain, Russia, Prussia, Austria, and later France, the concert aimed to prevent any one state from achieving continental dominance. 2. Resolve conflicts through diplomacy and negotiation. The great powers agreed to meet periodically to discuss and resolve international disputes, thus avoiding the outbreak of large-scale wars. 3. Preserve the territorial and political status quo. The concert sought to uphold the territorial settlements agreed upon at the Congress of Vienna, thereby maintaining stability.